Welcome students in the history class. Today we are going to continue our next point, that is oral sources. So in the first lesson already we have learned in the previous videos about material sources and written sources. Today we are going to learn oral sources. The following sources are included in the oral sources of modern Indian history. In that, folk songs from various locations, povadas of great personalities, folk tales from various regions, narrations of various events, interviews of great personalities, fairs from various villages or areas, jalsa. What is jalsa? Jalsa, it is a type of entertainment. Dancing in marriage is called jalsa. Art groups, rhythmic prose, that is Ovids, and inspirational songs, these all things are included as a oral sources of this modern history. So let us start our first point, that is inspirational songs. So during the period of freedom movement, various inspirational songs were composed. At present, some of these songs are available in written form, but there are many other unpublished inspirational songs memorized by freedom fighters. So with the help of these inspirational songs, just we come to know that what type of condition was there during this modern India, or when Britishers were ruling our country at that time, how they were harassing to our Indians, or how these all Indian people, they started our freedom struggle to get independence. These all details we come to know through these inspirational songs. Through these inspirational songs, we can get information about the condition during pre-independence period. It means when Britishers they were ruling our country, and also the spirit behind the freedom struggle could be understood. Spirit for these all Indians to take part in this movement, these all details we come to know with the help of these inspirational songs. Next one, we are learning about povada. What is povada? It is a kind of ballad written in an exciting style and narrates historical events in an inspiring way, that is called as a povada. For example, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's povadas. So povada is a source for getting information about a historical event or the work of a person. There are various povadas composed on freedom struggle of 1857. So this is the revolt raised by the Indians against the Britishers. So with the help of these povadas, we come to know the freedom struggle of 1857 and the valor of revolutionary during this British rule. What is valor? Valor means bravery shown by these all revolutionaries. So these povadas were used to create motivation and spirit among the people. So with the help of these povadas, we come to know the motivation and spirit of these all Indians about their country. Apart from freedom movement, the povadas were composed based on the work of Satyashodhak Samaj for awakening among the oppressed classes. It means during this period, society was divided into 4 classes or 4 groups we can say. So Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Kshudra. It means because of this differences we can say, some group of people they were considered as a superior and some people they were just considered as a inferior, and these superior people they were trying to oppress, they were trying to harass to this inferior people. So these all condition just they try to include in these songs or povadas, and with the help of these all details we come to know how these all depressed class or this inferior people, they started the struggle against these all differences. So this is one Satyashodak Samaj. It was one organization started as a group whose main aim was to liberate the social Shudras and untouchable caste from the exploitation and oppressions. So with the help of these various povadas, we come to know about this situation. For example, we can take povada for Mahatma Jyotiba Phule. So with the help of this povada, we come to know the contribution of this great personality. Again, one example they have included in your textbook, that is Satyashodak Samaj as well as the Sanyukta Maharashtra movement and such other events. So this Sanyukta Maharashtra movement or these details also we come to know through these various songs or povadas. So detailed information we are learning about Sanyukta Maharashtra in the 14th lesson. Here just they have given that how these all povadas were giving the inspiration to the common people. So with this oral song, this topic we have completed. Now here is one activity that you have to do it. Collect and present the inspirational songs and povadas related to the period of Indian freedom movement. Just I can give the example that आज हिमालय की चोटी से और जीते देश हमारा Bharat. Such type of many songs and povadas are there. With the help of internet, you have to collect it. Okay. Today we are going to stop here only. Remaining point we will learn in the next period. Goodbye everyone.